What is up, everyone, everywhere? You know that feeling when your brain is juggling too many thoughts at once, or that your ideas aren't just connecting the way you would like to? Well, today I'm gonna show you a simple tool that can supercharge your thinking and creativity, and it's called mind mapping. Let's go. Mind mapping is a visual way to organize information. Imagine taking all those scattered thoughts in your head and turning them into a colorful, easy to follow diagram. At the center, you will write your main idea. Think of it like the garden. You plant a seed, and it starts to develop from there into a plant with branches and leaves and fruit and flowers and veggies or whatever you would like to. And guess what? It works for everything: brainstorming, planning, studying, and many more. So let's make one together. Say we're planning a vacation. At the center, I'll sketch an earth, but don't worry, if you don't feel comfortable with the drawings, just write vacation, circle it around, and you're done. From there, we branch it out. It's like brainstorming, just visual. Mind mapping isn't just fun, it's powerful. Studies show it boosts memory and sparks creativity. By using colors, keywords, images, you can activate both sides of your brain, the logical and the creative side. Plus, it's way more engaging than bullet points. Ready to give it a shot? All you need is pen and paper, or you can try digital tools like FreeMind, Canva, or even a good old PowerPoint like I'm doing it. Whether you are solving a problem, studying for an exam, or mapping out your project, mind mapping can make it easier, and mainly, it can make it more fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more tips like this. Until next time, keep those great ideas mapped. Cheers. Bye.